Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display discounted price in percentage format with the regular and sale price in WooCommerce product using custom code in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page. So this is our regular price and this is our sale price. So we are going to display discounted price in percentage format. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title A, then you see code per view. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to display discounted price in percentage format with the regular and sale price in WooCommerce WordPress, and then scroll down you see class saved -sale. If you want to add some styling, so you can use this class, and then you see percentage and then you see off text, so you can add text according to your requirement. And then scroll down you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page and refresh the page. Now you see regular price $50, sale price $30, and then you see percentage 40% off on this product. So now we are going to display all this in one line. Now right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open and then find here specific CSS that highlight this whole section, price section, and then you see multiple CSS classes. So when we select span class price, now you see this class highlight whole section on screen. Then on right side you see class, so you can use this class, and then we are going to add display flex. Now go to customize section, so we already added. Now we are going to add display flex and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to shop page and refresh the page. Now on screen you see all price shown in inline, regular price, sale price, discounted price in percentage, but you don't see any space between sale price and discounted price. So we are going to add some custom CSS by using class. Go to code and then scroll down you see class saved -sale, so we are going to use this class. Now go to customize section, so we added class saved -sale, and then you see margin left 5px, so click on publish. Now publish done. Go to shop page again and refresh the page. Now you see regular price, sale price, and then you see discounted price in percentage 40% off on this product. Now open variable and simple product both. So this is a variation. Now select any, and then you see $10 regular price, $8 sale price, and then you see 20% off. Now go to simple product. Now you see 40% off on this product. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.